In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a link to share Google Drive files. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Drive app. That will show you all your files and folders, and once you find one file or folder that you want to share with somebody, all you have to do is just hit at that three dots icon next to file's name and then select Manage Access. That allows you to share that file in two different ways. The first way is hit at that icon and then put in here someone's username to invite that user to get access to that file. The user will get an invitation on their email address, and after they confirm it, they will be able to get access to that file. Another way to share a file is hit where it says anyone with the link. To be honest, by default it is set to restricted for each file and folder. So another way is hit at restricted, and then you will be able to hit at restricted again and switch it to anyone with the link. After that, you will be able to change viewer to commenter or even editor. And after that, in order to get the link to that file, just tap at that link icon and that copies link to the clipboard. After that, you can open up any messenger or a social media platform and then just send this link to your recipient. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial, hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.